Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rancilio espresso machine. Go ahead and pull a shot. And it's way too fast, but you can see it's working well. And we did get okay crema even though the shot was super fast. I need to tighten up the grind. Was using another machine earlier. And let's go ahead and check the steam. In the meantime, we'll just take a moment to do a little meditation while we wait for the steam to come up to temperature. So let's begin. Arriving here now in this place. Let go of whatever else you were thinking about. Use an anchor point and think about where your body is touching the ground or the earth. Maybe your bottom on the chair or your feet on the floor. Notice what it's like to be right here, right now. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Another deep breath in. And a deep breath out. It's amazing how 2 or 3 of these deep breaths can help relieve a lot of stress just in the midst of our day. While we're waiting in line, in between emails, or while we're waiting for an espresso machine to heat up. It's a good time to do some breathing, to be present. So thank you for meditating with me, and let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.